Greetings, it's Jamaican Creative Promotion presents Paris and London All Black Affair, second anniversary on the 24th of November 2018. Admission, €15. Place, The Cargo, 49 Avenue, Mabuse. On the mix with Crystal Blue, Soul Stereo, Andrew Fresh, Sobionic Sound, Uncle Frost. All you gotta do is be there, make that a date and don't be late. And remember, it's an all black affair. Second anniversary. Jamaican Creative Promotion. Lone Ranger says so.
Jamaica Creative Promotion proudly presents the Paris and London All Black Affair second anniversary on Saturday the 24th of November 2018.
It's too sweet for the quaff for sit down and I worry about money and girl. Nothing me no worry about, yeah. Nothing me no worry about London. As life too sweet for the quaff for sit down and I worry about 10,000 rise against me, but I stay strong. I don't know about 99 problems, cause I got none. Me no matter if things rough on my